he paid that tire for that $125 tire out of his own pocket because he knew the consequences and it wasn't even an argument, but me and Nancy have been through it and we know that the insurance shock is there. There's going to be a premium change because you got an inexperienced operator. So there's probably going to be an insurance shock. So it depends on the company, how much they're going to charge for it. But when you do add a driver that is at that age, it will increase the premium. For teen drivers, ask us about our teen driver contract. We used it for our kids. It's not a binding contract per se, but it's an agreement between the parents and the kids that talks about the rules of the road, essentially. You know, how many kids are allowed to have? I know the state mandates it for a certain time, and then, you know, how they can drive the vehicles. What happens if they get a ticket or accident while they're on your insurance? They then become responsible for that premium increase. That's the way we agreed to it. And then, you know, like my son, he wound up hitting a curb, leaving his pitching instructor one day, and he needed to get a new tire. Luckily, it was just a tire, but he paid that tire for that $125 tire out of his own pocket because he knew the consequences and it wasn't even an argument. He knew it because of the teen driver contract. So it was not even an argument when it came time for him to pay for it. He knew it when we went and picked him up and had the car towed because the new cars don't come with spares anymore, that he was going to be responsible for that tow and that tire because it was below our collision deductible. It was not worth reporting. So again, set clear rules of the road for your young driver about what's going to happen if they mess up and have a ticket or an accident. The odds are it's going to happen because that's why they cost more for the insurance. But the most important thing is let us know. Let your insurance agent know. Let the insurance company know. That way they're at least on notice that this driver is in the household. Because if you do not do that, you don't want to suffer the consequences of having a possible loss that limits or excludes certain coverages from your policy. Again, this is Jerry, Real Insurance Talk with Huff Insurance. Congratulations on having that teen driver. You've done something right. You're raising them right. Get them on the road. Get them on the road safe and let us know now. Thank you and have a great day.